luck ba ha? Sa imong mga endeavors, kuyog ni Marian, God bless. Naarami ni Datsoy nga, mo support ug mo ampo para ninyo. Congrats. Congrats.
James, patambukan na si Marian. Good luck, God bless, nga duha.
Simian, I love you. Bay, ang pingi ako ng ate ha.
Ugma ng gift, ugma ng gift.
Marian, happy birthday! James and Marian, congratulations! And best wishes!
Congratulations, happy birthday. That's all.
So, my message is surprise. Bards, Marian, congratulations on your wedding. I hope nga dagan mong babies. Kami, andami may mong ninong, especially si Doc Zamora, Dr. Makatol, ug si Dr. Arlibay. So, wait na mo nga makaroon sa inyong babies, okay? Bunyag ka pa doon na ito, bunyag.
To Mariana and Vargas, thank you and congratulations. Kwan, isadusin na. Kung pwede, kung makasuporta lang, bitaw, good luck and more power, Darna.
Well, to both Marian and Vargas, congratulations to both of you. I'm very happy, and I'm also happy because we friends, we've been together for many years, and well, congratulations to both of you, and may God bless you both. Thank you.
God bless sa imong kuan. Married life and take care of each other. Thank you. Bye-bye. Congrats, Marian. Best wishes.
Para sa couple.
Marian and James, congratulations. Make more babies.
Hi, Marian and James. God bless and may you have a happy and longer life. Thank you. Bye.
Marian and James, they are a perfect couple!
Hello, Marian and James. God bless and more happy years. Congrats, Bayot. Happy birthday, Dayan.
Congrats to Marian and James. Best wishes to you both. May you always have Christ in the center of your married life. Love you both.
Congrats, bay. Message ko.
Congratulations and best wishes to both of you.
Hello, Ate Marian and James. Congratulations and best wishes, Aja.
Yan, James. Congrats na finally nakamo na gyud. Congratulations and best wishes.
Hello, Yan. Happy birthday and happy wedding day. Wishing you all the best in your life. I love you, Yan.
James, Marian, congrats.
Yeah, I would like to say I'm very glad to have served you and hope when you have your silver anniversary, I will still be here. Thank you.